Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to start a new series of Bengal's Alpona. So it is actually written as Alpona, Alpona. So we will start with the basic drawing and then we will learn about it. So let's do. So this art form is from the Bengal. A part of it is now Bangladesh and it's otherwise in India it is Bengal. So before drawing anything, we take a scale and we just leave 1 centimeter on all the 4 sides. Okay. Why we are leaving it? So that this part of our paper will go into framing. So everybody draw 1 centimeter line on all the 4 sides with me. Now next line also we are drawing 1 centimeter. So we have drawn the outlines. Now once again I am repeating, this outermost line is only for framing. Okay, we will just give one color here. So everybody please draw 1 to 3 lines. The gap between 3 lines is 1 centimeter. After drawing 3 lines, I am marking 1 centimeter. I will mark it on all the sides. Okay, why I am marking this? So that the design which we are going to draw in border will have almost same size. Otherwise, somewhere it will be big, somewhere it will be small. So we know that our border design has to fit in this size only. I have marked 1 centimeter on all the sides. Now lower one I am marking 2 centimeters. If you are not getting perfect 2, don't worry. Mark some other distance, but try to make all the designs similar. So first border design is very simple. I hope everybody will understand. With me, you draw only one side right now. You can complete it later on. Second border design is also very simple. Okay, this is our second border design. Very simple. Draw it slowly on and please draw in pencil. I'll turn it. When you are drawing the first border, I'll try to draw the second one. Normally, Alpana is done on the surface which is coated with powder, and with the rice powder it is done. But we are learning on the piece of paper. So if you get time, please paint it on the brown background. You can buy the brown color paper which is available easily everywhere, and draw all Alpana design on brown color paper. As we know, Bengal is very rich in cultural things. They have a rich heritage. And on every auspicious occasion, Alpana is drawn. Let's draw the actual design. To draw the actual design, we will draw a big U. So my first step is I'm going to paint one U. Okay. So this is our big U and I have left a gap here. Now in this U, we will draw the upper part first. Please take your pencil and draw a line here. We should always draw from up to down. Okay, and also painting especially we should do from up to down. The reason is our hand may touch this and the whole thing may get spoiled. Now, we are going to draw a bird. So first I will draw the face and body of the bird. Draw a cup, big cup. When your paint is very thick, take 2-3 drops of water and mix in the paint. I'm talking about acrylic paint. See, my paint was very thick. So I'm not getting very thin lines. So I'm mixing 2-3 drops of water in it. Now, our basic design of bird is ready. Let's make the decoration of the bird. Now, in decoration of the bird, we'll start from the top. Very simple. First, we'll draw 1, 2, 3 lines. Then we'll draw a curve. So this much part is over. These are just curves. Okay, you can keep on drawing them. You can add, you can make more, you can make less. Now, in between the mango, I'm drawing a line and drawing a leaf. See, at the end, now I'm drawing a small carry type thing. It's not curved. Along with curve, it's a carry. Small mango carry. Oh, now 2 feet of our dear bird. When everything will dry, then we will erase the pencil marks. I forgot to make one curve here, the outermost layer of this leaf. So our design is ready and I'm going to do the border now. Border is not compulsory in this form of art. But if we draw, it looks definitely much better. So we have finished this much work with border, and now I'm going to give a touch of red color in this. Our design is complete. I hope you like the tutorial. Kindly like, subscribe and share the information about my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.